Hello, welcome everybody. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get your money back if you invest in Bitcoin in wrong time. So it means that you brought Bitcoin at, let's say, 15,000 or 17 or even 20,000 of dollars, right? So this is trouble right now, but I will show you a tool you can use to get recovery much quicker than just be hodler, just keeping Bitcoin. So what I'm trying to explain you, this video is generally for people who are not traders, yeah. This is a video for holders, and in this video, I have to, of course, say that I am not proper, I don't have license, so you are, of course, investing on your own risk. You can win, you can lose. You're not sharing with me profits. You're not sharing with me your losses as well, right? So always is involved risk. But here I would like to talk about the smallest leverage you can find on the market. So it's multiply by 1. So I will show you how to earn quicker and how to lose quicker, yeah, as well, if it's gonna go wrong. So let's say that you have 1 Bitcoin and we are now in this area, yeah. So we are going to buy long contract and we hope it's gonna go up. So let's have a look what is the Bitcoin price right now when we recording video. Yeah, it's about 6660, let's say, right? So we go here back and we have to put the price. So yeah, we have this price right now, and at the same time we have, let's say, 1 Bitcoin. You can have 10 Bitcoins, you have 0.1 Bitcoin, doesn't matter. You can change it. Yeah, there's no problem because this Excel, this calculator is counting like everything. So amount of contracts, so quantity we have to put for 1 Bitcoin case exactly the same. So this is like 6660, right? And leverage you put 1. If you are not trader, you can never put more than 1 because this can be risky for you. I am using leverage like 125, 150, 1 to 10, but I am on the market like 10 years now, right? So for me it is not big deal, but if you start, you can be sure that you will lose your money. That's why I'm saying you have to put 1, leverage 1. So let's see now a couple of scenarios what can happen if something, right? So we start at this price what is right now, and I will show you what can happen if the price will go up like 2000. So we have to put like 8666. Yeah, so let's see in this scenario, you see we deposited 1 Bitcoin. So trade value is 1 Bitcoin as well. We invest this amount at this price, and let's say all dream price to close is this price. So in this case, when the price changed from this amount to this amount, this is about 30% gain, right? So in Bitcoins, we will get 0.23 BTC. So in the dollars, it will be like $2,000, and we have like 2 Bitcoins right now, yeah, because we have 1 Bitcoin and we bought 1 Bitcoin extra, yeah. So our gains are double. So you see, so the 2,000 come from the trade, and the next 2,000 come from your Bitcoin because you still have this Bitcoin, right? So in total is $4,000. It means that now your account, your balance is more than 10,000K, right? So you are close to get recovery. But let's say that you brought the Bitcoin by 15,000. Yeah, so we have to put here another price and wait longer. So let's say we put here more, like 10,000. Let's see what happened. It will be 10,000 here. Yeah, so with the Bitcoin price from now will grow like 60%. You have 4,000 from trade, from 1,000 for your deposited BTC. So in total, we are very close to 15,000. So you can go this way to your break-even and you can close. This leverage is for free. It's free to use. I will explain more about it because I'm preparing the webinary, at least 1 hour webinary to explain it in details, because now I'm planning to do something like 25 minutes long video. So in the next video, in webinary, I will show much more. So here I'm showing like the basic. Okay, the link to webinary you will find in the description below the video. So as we see, we have here almost 15,000. But let's say that you are greedy, we want more. So we have to just set up our closing price and wait for it. Like let's put it here like 12,000. So now you see that our profit will be more than 10,000 and new balance is 17,000, right? So we are very close. So, but now let's check the extreme. That I know that some people brought the Bitcoin at 20,000. So let's see what happened if we change here for 14,000. So if the price will grow like this, on your account will be the value of 21,000 of Bitcoins. Yeah, so I will show you in a moment how to do it like on the platform. But before it, I would like to show you the second side. So if you can gain like twice more than you invest, in the same time you can lose, yeah, twice more than at normal. So in this case, I would like to show you what happened in here, because here is for profit, yeah, in this, but in here we have like losing. So this guy is not happy anymore, right? But we have to put exactly the same, yeah, the same amount. Yeah, the leverage is the same, is 1. Entry price have to be the same as well. And now let's see what happened if the price will go down. Because if it go up, we know what to do because I already showed this, right? But if the price will go in wrong direction, so we start going down. So let's say 1,000 down, right? From 66 to 56, what happened is that we are losing $2,000 in total, right? But let's see if we are earning $1,000 here on the price. Oh, sorry, have to be 7660. Yeah. So we have this is full symmetry. If the price will go up 1,000, you have 2,000. If the price will go down 1,000, you lose 2,000. That's it. There is no problem with this. And what you have to be aware, and I will be repeating this on webinars, the hardest stuff with this is that you can be liquidated. So if the price will go down from this price, in this case, 50% down, yeah, you are out of the market and you have 0 of Bitcoins. You lose 1 Bitcoin, you lose everything you invested. So this is hard. But so the price in this case is on this level. So it's 3,300 and something, right? And if the price of Bitcoin will go down, if they break this line, you you're losing everything. You will get liquidated. But if the price will go down in a case for a while to 4,000, you are losing on the paper, right? But you're still keeping the position. So it can go down first to, let's say, 5,000, then 4,000, and then back to 10,000. So you are not losing nothing, right? If you not close this trade. And that's it. And now I'm gonna to show this on the platform, right? So here we go. I don't have one Bitcoin on my account right now to demonstrate you. So let's go to a demo account, because I'm selling Bitcoins every time I earn something at Bitmex. I'm selling this next day, not to not to feel temptation to invest all of my money and lose it. So I am, but I have experience, so I know what to do. So let's see what we can do here. Here, as we see, we have 1.55 Bitcoins, right? But just keep to the case that we have 1 Bitcoin. So currently price here is 6670. So we have to put quantity the same like in the Excel sheet, 6670. And we gonna buy at market at this price. This price, and leverage. This is the key. You cannot use so high leverage as here. It's not possible for you, because you're gonna lose this money. So if you're starting with 1x leverage, and it looks like 1x, but in practical is 1-2. So you are, as I said, you're gaining twice quicker and you are losing twice time quicker. So here you see the cost, and the order value is 1 Bitcoin. And if you prepare something like this, you can click buy market right now, and we start getting this position. Click, okay, buy, and let's see. Yes, and we have this position already open. So the value is 1 Bitcoin. This is our entry price. And here we go, liquidation price. What is the most important? So liquidation price, if the price here of the trade Bitcoin will go down below this, it's over. It's over, and you are losing everything in this case. So let's see what would happen if you put this leverage. If you change leverage, you can change, but this is extremely risky, so definitely I'm not recommending this. But you see, everything is about liquidation price. So here is like more extreme. So now you are riding on the bike, let's say, but if you change here, you are starting to riding motorbike. It's more risky, more speed involved. And you see now your liquidation price is much higher, like this 4,400 more. And if the price will go down more than this price, you are over. So you see what is the difference here? So it's a huge difference. So if you start, I don't recommend you to invest with more leverage like this. This is really okay. So now, if the price on the chart will go up like $2, $2, we earning $4. If the price will go down $5, we're losing $10, and so on. So everything is multiplied by 2. Your profits are unlimited. If the price will go up, you can, sky is the limit, let's say. But if the price will go down, this is your limit, and it's over. Of course, you see, I still have Bitcoins available here, and I can add it to margin. If something happened, I can add it, and my liquidation price will go down. But let's say you have 1 BTC, and this is the case how you can do it. Here you can track your results. Every single day you see your results here. And I think very good a very good way is just to use first demo account. I will give you a link to demo account as well in the description. I will give you a link to real account, the same, in the description, so you can try it. And generally, okay, but you say, okay, but this liquidation price make me crazy and it's too risky because finally it can go to this level. Okay, so in this case we can see if it is possible to invest even with smaller than x1 leverage. Let's do here 0.5. Okay, this is because it should be like this. Okay, and as you see, we have, it still display like 1, but this is 0.5. Okay, is 0.5 the same quantity, or we want more? Let's say yes, we want to buy 1 Bitcoin, so we have to put more deposit. Yeah, so we have to deposit 2 Bitcoins in this case. So, but if we still have 1 Bitcoin, we have to just divide it by 2, so it will be 330. So this amount of contracts on Bitmex platform you have to buy, right? So here we go, and let's see what happened. Now, if the price will go up 1,000, you will win on platform $500, and you still have this 1 Bitcoin, yeah, on Bitmex platform. They are keeping this for you. This is very safe exchange, never hacked, and really perfect cold wallets. So your deposited Bitcoin gains 1,000, but because of small 0.5 leverage, you will get extra $500, right? So it's like everything what you earning normally plus 50%, and that's it. And you see, it's the same case if the price will go down. So if we are set, it will be exactly the same. We have to put here the same 0.5 leverage. Yeah, it's 0.5, displaying like 1, but this is 0.5. And in this, you see here is exactly the same. So if the price will drop 1,000, we are losing in total like 1,500. So our new USD balance will be just a little bit more than 5,000. But you see, liquidation price in this case is only $2,200. So it's much lower than in the first case. So this is much safer, right? So people maybe don't know, but on Bitmex exchange you can change your leverage here for smaller. You can design whatever you want. So in this case we have here, yeah, this is 0.5 means that you are doing exactly the same what you are doing right now without no leverage, plus 50%. So every $1 for you is 150. The same for gain, the same for losses, right? So even you can go to extreme and you can just do very small leverage like 0.2. So it means that $1 for you is right now like is 120, and that's it. The same for gains, the same for losses. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and I would like to invite you, yeah, for webinars. So you will find the link, and I will show more strategies. I will show more examples, and you can ask the question. So I think it's gonna be very interesting. So thank you for watching, and see you on the webinar.